Unifix cubes are great for place value skills when working with numbers up through 120. So using the Unifix cubes and the place value chart, I will ask kids to build a random number, two-digit number, let's say 37. So they count out their 3 tens for 10, 20, 30 to make 3 tens or the value of 30, and then they will build 7 ones. I like to have kids build their ones in groups of 5 because it's easy to count on from, and it's easy for your eyes to identify 5 all at once. It's what we like to call a friendly number. Then from there I ask them, okay, so what's another way can we show this number? How can we break it apart or decompose it? And what we want to do is we want to grab a 10 because 10 is what we can actually break apart, and we want to make sure we break apart all of the 10. We don't want to break a part of the 10 because I've had kids do this before. They'll try to do this and be like, well, there's a 10 there, 10 ones. I say, well, there's no such thing as 7s in the place as a place value column. And so I said, we either break it all apart or none of it apart. So we break it all apart. And then I ask them, is this still the same number or is it a different number? And I will get various responses to that. So then we like to prove it. So then we count the number 10, 20, 30, and then plus 7 more is 37. And then they see it's still the same number. I like to say, hey, did we take any of these Unifix cubes off? Did we take anything away? No. Did we add anything to the mat? No. We simply just rearranged where the cubes were. So when working with my students to compose numbers that are 2 digits, I like to build the mystery numbers with Unifix cubes and tell them they're math detectives and they've got to figure out what this number is that I built. So I instruct them to start in the ones first to see if they need to regroup or build or compose a 10. And so they will start counting either by ones or by twos. And so they go, okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and they see that they have built a 10. So then they move the 10 over here. Then they'll count their blues as well. We could think, okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, and this is only 9. And some of them like to even compare this way just to give them that visual, and they'll say, oh yeah, that's definitely not enough to make a 10. And I do ask them to leave this in groups of 5 because it's easy to see that. It's what we like to call a friendly number, 5. And so they will just leave all these ones separated, and then they will count their number. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then this is 9 here, so it makes 59.